going to walk around the car. It's got the pan roof, as you can see. It's got a red interior, hasn't it? This one. See the ducts for the air. Absolutely gorgeous interior. Absolutely stunning inside. It's got the Porsche emblems on the seats. Got the carbon steering wheel. It's got the carbon interior pack. It looks absolutely stunning. Turbo. It looks like it's got a kit on it as well. It's got a kit now. Absolutely loving the number plate there. Out the box, got 331 brake, lovely colour. Got the carbon in the dash, on the centre. Start it, start it. Michelin pilot wheels on there. We're just going to hear a bit of a rumble. I'm going to give you a little. The new edition. To Jay's car. It's a carbon rear spoiler that he's going to get fitted next week. So that will sit. Obviously, the existing spoiler will go, and the new one will be sitting on there. I'll go over some of the extra bits that he's done recently to the car. He's added a front splitter to the front bumper. That's a new addition. He's had the grills blacked out. He's had them wrapped. As you can see, he's had the mirrors. They're wrapped in black as well. He's had this side trim. That's a new addition to the car as well. He's had that done. He's changing the roof. Sorry, the boot spoiler to a carbon one, and it's a new addition as well, the diffuser in carbon. Have you got the spoiler in the boot? In here? Go and grab it. On there. Obviously the silver mirrors. Absolutely stunning interior. Pan roof. It's got the kit. Looks absolutely stunning. I'm told these are super duper fast. Love the number plate. Just see the size of the exhaust here. It's absolutely massive. You got two of them between. Let's have a brief look at the interior. We've got the quilted seats, stitching on the steering wheel. Got some red in the air vents. See those? Looks absolutely gorgeous. We've got a BMW 1 Series here, M Sport. I don't know whether that plate's legal, but I can't read it. Let us know your thoughts. We've got, looks nice in white with the darker alloys. Loving the number plate there. We've got a RS3 with a super loud exhaust. Looks stunning. It looks absolutely stunning. How's it going, you alright? Absolutely looks stunning. Love the Quattro badging at the front grille. Got E55 AMG with a diffuser, carbon diffuser at the back. Looks absolutely stunning. Absolutely mad. See the road, you've got the tyres smoking. Excellent driver. Good driving skills there. Lovely car. It's got the red calipers on the front and rear. Absolutely stunning. M6, loving the number plate on that. You've got the carbon splitter at the bottom. Got a carbon roof. Got these massive 22-inch alloys. Got the carbon on the mirrors. It's got the carbon interior in the pack. Absolutely stunning. Carbon roof. So all this section is all carbon. You've got these absolutely massive 22-inch alloys. Looks stunning. M6. A lot of you might wonder, why do Asians tie like a black scarf on the back of their cars? We have a Lamborghini Huracan. Jay, you want to just guide him to come that side? Tend to come that side. Stay this side of the... Sorry. Absolutely stunning colour in purple. Looks gorgeous. It's got the black wheels on it. You've got the yellow calipers. You alright? How's it going? Yeah, good, good.
Enjoyed the car meet, yeah?
It looks stunning, that does. Looks absolutely gorgeous.
Your one's better, man.
I love this, it's absolutely stunning.
Good though, yeah?
It looks beautiful.
It is? You're right.
Absolutely, look how wide it is at the back. We've got the slats covering the engine. The exhaust. You got the Pirelli P0 tyres on this one. We've got 20-inch wheels. 20-inch wheels, rims on this. We've got loving these handles. You got the pop in, pop out handles. well laid, I can tell you. From here, absolutely well laid. We have an exhaust competition. Got an M4 blasting his exhaust over there as well. But I think the RS3 is really laid, if I remember correctly. We're loving the lights on these. Absolutely makes it look like a demon. Absolutely stunning. As you can see, the LEDs coming across. Really suits the car. Looks absolutely stunning in black. You got the 4 exhausts on the back, E63, big engine. V8 turbo, bi-turbo. I think it's got the same lump as the AMG GTS. Absolutely stunning. Well, I think that's the lot. You see, it's a good car meet. There's a lot of beautiful cars here at OneCall, and we're absolutely smashing it as in BHP wise. There must be a few thousand BHP here in the car park. I think Jay's saying we've got one more person to come along, so we'll shoot that one and then we'll get this video wrapped up and get it online for you guys to review. We're waiting for, as you can see, it's a BMW M3 in the yellow. We've got 2 here now, and it's got the carbon pack on it on the front lip. Absolutely stunning, 5-door. Got the carbon on the front. You've got the splitters over here. Got lovely rims on it. You've got the carbon wing mirrors on it. You've got the side kit on there with carbon. You've got the roof spoiler, carbon. Beautiful M3. It's got the full exhaust system. Loving the number plate in carbon, if you can make that out. You've got a similar spoiler to what Jay's bought for his, the carbon spoiler for the back. Absolutely looks stunning in this colour. So as you say, we've got 3 here now in this colour. We have 1 over there, we have 1 over here, and 1 over there. Amazing colours, absolutely looking good. You see, we can, as you can see, we've got the M6 back here as well. I think these lads are about to make a move. M4 there. The actual trees are moving at the back of the exhaust. That's loud, isn't it? Get in.